Now, since you are watching this video, it means you have a phone, and that means you can actually be able to trade. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process on how you can actually get started with trading. Now, all I want from you guys is your close attention. I'm going to be talking to you from here and then I'll also share my phone screen and then my laptop screen. So pay close attention, and without any further waste of your time, let's dive straight into the video. Alright, so we are going to be looking at what forex trading is, why you should trade forex, opening up a trading account with a broker, installing the trading platform and then linking it to the broker, and finally how and when to actually buy and sell. I'm also going to deposit money to my trading account, and you guys will actually see how it happens. So first things first, what's forex trading? So it's the exchange of money. Now I have an example here. So I have two currencies. So this one is the Tanzanian shilling and then this is the Kenyan shilling. Now you guys know when you go to a forex bureau and let's say you have the dollar and you want, let's say, the South African rand in return, you're going to give away what you have and then get what you have in return. A physical example is if, let's say, I went with the Tanzanian shilling to the forex bureau and then I needed the Kenyan shilling, I'm going to give this and then get this in return. That's how easy the concept is. But this time around, we are entirely doing all the trading online. All you need is your phone or your laptop with internet and then you are good to go. We entirely make money in trading by buying and selling. We buy when the price of a currency is going up and then sell when the price of a currency is going down. The forex market is traded by retail traders, big banks and then hedge funds. So retail traders are normal traders just like me and most probably you. You are trading with less capital, something that doesn't sum up, let's say, to $1 million or something more. Then you are a retail trader. Then big banks, most banks actually trade forex. You can actually search up for all the big banks in the world, they do trade forex. And then hedge funds, so we can actually call all these institutional traders. And furthermore, it's the biggest traded financial markets in the world with a total turnover of about $6.1 trillion per day. Now these numbers are just for us to tap in. Now if you want to learn more about trading and making money online, be sure you subscribe, and if you are enjoying this video, you can also smash the like button. And let's get back straight into the video. Now, why should you trade in the first place? Now, this is something that I always try to emphasize. Before getting into any business model, you have to look at the pros and the cons. So here are some of the things. So trading, you can actually trade from anywhere as long as you have your internet and then your phone. Then you can access the global market because it's global. Each country has a different currency and all these currencies are always in circulation 24/7. And then furthermore, it's very easy to start up. Then you can actually trade 24/5. That means you can trade 24 hours in 5 days. So it's Monday to Friday. The forex market is closed during the weekend. And then you get to pay yourself. So you decide, you know, exactly how much you want to make, and it's all up to you. And then most importantly, it's the freedom. So we are looking at time freedom. You decide when to make money, you decide when to trade. Then the other thing is the financial freedom. Well, we all trade for financial freedom, and it's all here because you decide exactly how much money you want to make. And then on the other side of trading, it's emotionally tiring. Well, because all the options are on your end, most traders become greedy, revenge trade and all that, so it's emotionally tiring. And then the other one is trading is boring. So having understood that, let's go into the process of opening up a trading account. So for you to trade, you have to have a trading account with a broker. So a broker is basically going to link you, the trader, to the financial markets. So it's just an intermediate in. And again, before choosing a broker, there are a few things that you have to consider. So you should look at if the broker is regulated, then how faster are the deposits and withdrawals, then the customer care, then the trading instruments that you intend to trade, then spreads, commissions, and then other fees, and then lastly the means of payment. I actually did a detailed video about choosing a broker. I'm going to put the link just somewhere up here. For the purpose of this video, we are going to be using the same broker that I personally use. I'm going to put the link just down in the description below. Now let's go straight to it. So it's Xnance, and now I had opened up the account. It's very easy. All you have to do is click the link down, and then you're going to fill in your email address and then your phone number and then your name. And then after filling in all those, you are going to come to this page. So this is how it looks like. So you have an option of accounts. Now for the option of accounts, you can either decide to start off with a demo account or a real account. So a demo account is just a practice account where you get to do as much practice as possible. Even before you tackle the real charts for you to make real money, it's recommended that you do as much practice as you can. And then on the other end, your real account is your live account. It's where you deposit the money and it's where you withdraw all the money. So for the purpose of this video, again, I'm going to create a real account because I've been trading for some time, but you can start off with a demo account first. It's the same process. So I'm just going to come over here to real account, and then I'll come and then click on open new account. So there we go. So we have the standard, and then we have the standard cent, then we have row spread and all that, but I'd recommend the standard account. So I'm going to go ahead and click open real account, and then demo real. I'm going to select real, and then the platform either MT4 or MT5. I'm going to show you this in a minute, but I'm going to choose MT4, and then the leverage, you can decide to use 1 to 500 maximum. A bigger leverage is a bigger risk. Now for the currency, it's the money that you want to be reflected in your trading account. Personally, I would opt for the Ugandan shillings because it feels more real, and then it depends on any country. So most people decide to trade with the US dollar, but I would decide to go for the Ugandan shillings. There we go. And then the name, I'll say Daniel. And then the password, I can create a password. There we go. So it's now created. So when I've created an account, all I have to do now is to deposit, and then I would be able to trade. So for me to deposit, I'm going to use my phone and then the local payment options. Now this is mobile money in Uganda, and I think Kenya there's M-Pesa, but you can also opt to use your bank credit card or crypto or any other payment options. Local payment options have limits. You can only deposit up to $800 or some, but if you want to deposit even more, you can decide to use a bank credit card or crypto. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on deposit. Okay, and then right here I'll choose mobile money for my account. Like you can see, you can use Krill, you can use Netella, you can use bank card and other payment options, but I'm going to choose mobile money, and then I'm going to deposit in Ugandan shillings. So $100 in Ugandan shillings, that's about 340 or some. That's how it is. And then click confirm, and then click pay. So I'm going to get a notification to my phone that is going to prompt me to enter my password. Now you can decide to use any other payment options, but personally I would say mobile money is very easy because it's local and very fast. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter my PIN. There we go. So for the moment, once I refresh the page, I will have the deposit made. So it's $92. I thought it was actually $100. So there we go. So once I have the money deposited on, all I have to do again is link Xnens to MT4. So once you have deposited to your trading account, now you have to link the broker to the trading platform. So the trading platform, you're just going to go to App Store or Google Play Store, any device that you are using, and then search MT4 or MetaTrader 4. Now it's a global platform that is accessed by all traders. So I personally have the trading platform installed on my phone already. Now once you have installed the trading platform, you're going to come to a section of settings right here, and then click on the trade accounts, and then click on the plus. Now we are just trying to link this account, so we are just going to come back here and then search, click on this option here, away from trade. We just need the account details, so click on account information, and there we go. So the server is Xnens Real 20. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in because we have the account created already, and then search for Xnens Real 20. So Xnens Real 20. I think I typed it wrongly. Xnens Real 20. Okay, there we go. And then the MT4 login, it's 53. Now you can either decide to copy and paste if you are trading on your laptop, but for my case I'm just going to copy it manually. So 53 46 10 56, and then my password, it's the one that I used initially. So we should have the account signed in a minute. Let's see. Oof, invalid account. Now the invalid account comes on if you have missed or entered wrong details, but let me just try again real quick.
Few moments later.
All right, now I finally have the account signed in already, so it can show Daniel, Xnance, whatever, real, and then the trade balance, it's 340, what we added on the account exactly. So at this point now we are good to trade. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I trade. I'm going to open up a random trade and I'll just show you. So the first option right here is quotes. So quotes are the currency pairs. So like from the first example that I showed you, let's say you're selling the Ugandan shilling for the dollar, it's two currencies. So a quote is going to be a combination of two currencies. We can also call it a currency pair. So just come over here to the plus and add any currency pairs that you would love to trade. So I'm going to go ahead and add USD, JPY. I'm actually recording this video very late in the night, so at this point I can only trade USD JPY to me as myself. So let me go ahead and click trade. Actually, when you click on it and then click on charts, you have this. So this is how the charts look. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a trade. So I'll come to click trade and then adjust the lot size to anything like 0.02 and buy. So you have options. So it's either a buy or a sell. So a quick recap, the first step is opening up a trading account with a broker. Again, the link is up here. You can see things that you should consider before choosing a trading broker. And then after you have opened up an account, you can link the trading account to MT4. For MT4, go to App Store or Google Play Store and then type in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and then choose one. And that's how easy it is. I'm going to be doing more videos about how I trade and more detailed videos on how you can actually start trading. So be sure you subscribe, and you can also join our traders community. The link is just down in the description below. See you soon. I'm out for now.